Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Snacksack. Now, if you're not familiar, Snacksack is a monthly snack subscription for the more healthy, conscious snacker, like me. I lost weight. I really like to snack, but regular potato chips and cookies are just dangerous. So I decided to go find something, a snack subscription box and get all kinds of different snacks. Now, this box runs $27.95 a month, but if you prepay for 3, 6, 9, 12 months in advance, the price per box does go down a little bit. Now, each box includes about 11 to 13 snacks inside. Each month is themed for the month or the season, and they have 4 different plans available. They have classic, which is what I have, vegan, gluten-free, and vegan and gluten-free. So they've got you covered. Now, I did the math because somebody made a comment, oh, that seems kind of expensive. Actually, this one is on the lower end as far as pricing goes, and each snack inside, 11 to 13, averages out to be about $2.33 per piece. So if you break it down like that, it's really not that expensive. So stop rambling. Let's see what I got this month. That's what it looks like inside. Time to discover healthier snacks you'll absolutely love. Ooh. So the first thing I am pulling out is from Hilo Life, cheddar flavored snack poofs, cheesy poofs, which I am excited about because I really do like cheesy poofs. Now, question. Are you one of those people that likes to open the bag or put some in a bowl and let it sit for a little while so that it kind of gets a little stale? Gets chewier? I do that with popcorn too. I know, I'm crazy. So yeah, we got those. I will be trying a couple of these. The next thing is Uglies, Kettle chips, cheddar and sour cream. Now this company takes potato chips, they take potatoes that have blemishes on them. They're not the prettiest potatoes, and they make potato chips. And these are good. I've had these before. These are very good. Now we have something from Kybo, Lentil Chips. Oh, that's interesting. These are the sea salt flavor. Interesting. I do like lentils. I like lentil soup. I like lentils in things. Then we have Pretzel Pete, gluten-free salted mini twist pretzels. I make my own mustard, honey mustard sauce. It's just equal parts of mustard and honey. My daughter loves it. She's like, how do you make the sauce? And I'm like, mustard and honey. Then we have home-cooked salted Virginia peanuts by Hubbard Peanut Company. A single-serving power pack. Okay. This is ZZ's Strawberry Crisp Soft Bake Bar, baked with whole grain and nut-free. Okay. The first thing I notice, strawberry crisp, right? And then soft bake bar. So is it crispy or is it soft? So, yeah, I like bars. I really like bars. It works so nice instead of fixing a sandwich or some soup or a salad, all that chopping. I go for the bar. Now, this seems to be in every box I've noticed some kind of a little jerky stick. This is barbecue seasoned beef stick by the Vermont Company. Gluten-free product. Then this is the Everbar delicious and crispy wafers coated with premium dark chocolate. Oh man. Non-GMO. Then we have another one of these. Okay, this was in my last box. It's gluten-free, relaxing dark chocolate. It's called Mellow. So it is supposed to have some properties of chilling you out a little bit. But I don't recall if it did or not. I mean, I ate it because it's chocolate. But I do not recall. Well, I guess it did mellow me out because, I mean, think about how you feel after you're craving chocolate and you have chocolate. It's like, oh, yeah, I had some chocolate. Next is the Smash Crispy. Oh, this time it's blueberry crumble. The last one was, of course, like holiday flavors, and it was peppermint. And I really enjoyed it. I mean, who doesn't like a good Rice Krispie treat? The next thing is the birthday cake soft baked cookie by the Wow Company. This is also gluten-free. And then the last thing is Emmy's chocolate chip organic coconut cookie. This is vegan, organic, and gluten-free. This is the whole ball of wax right here. Okay, so I'm going to try the birthday cake cookie. Scissors. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like a very rich vanilla cake. It's very cakey. Very soft. Full of flavor. Mm-hmm. That's good. Mm-hmm. And this is only, all right, this is 110 calories. Not too bad. I mean, a big bag of popcorn is 150. But that's good. What else? I want to try the bar. The crispy soft bar. Looks like that. Ooh, I can smell the strawberry. Mm-hmm. Really nice strawberry flavor. I'm getting hit with the, it has icing on it. Now I can taste the icing. Yeah, that's good. Oops. That's good. All right, let's try these lentil chips. Do you remember Munchos? That's what these remind me of. Not necessarily, they're not very corny flavored, but the texture reminds me of Munchos. Yeah, they're good. I would definitely eat them. Yes. What else? Okay, let's try the Everbar. Oh, it is wafery. I can hear it. Mmm. Mmm. That's like a grown-up Kit Kat. That's really good. Okay, that's all I'm going to taste. I will probably eat this right away. So yes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12 things this time. I love it. I like this snack box. It gives me a variety of items that are healthier for me. A lot better than your standard chip or cookie or cake. So I really like that this kind of thing is available for me. It's definitely worth it to me because I need to snack. I have to snack. It just makes me so happy. So on that note, I am glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.